Now to the Trump administration's war against Big Pharma, and I'll have more on this after the break. But Kosha, at its heart, this policy is to ensure these multi-billion-dollar companies are not price gouging in the US and charging exorbitant prices in the US compared to what they charge elsewhere in the world. RFK Jr. was there to trumpet this policy.
He can't be bought, unlike most of the politicians in this country. And he is standing here for the American people. I don't know what, there's writers like Lord Elizabeth Warren or Robert Reich who are saying that President Trump is on the side of the oligarchs. There has never been a president more willing to stand up to the oligarchs than President Donald Trump. And I'm very, very proud of you, Mr. President.
He has a point there, Kosha. Trump cannot be bought. He is the only president whose net worth actually dropped during his presidency. And I guess that's one of the perks of being a billionaire.
That's definitely one of his superpowers, as the kids say, because pharma is a very, very enriched and well-funded industry, and therefore there's a lot of lobbying dollars that flows into Washington, and that's made it a difficult nut to crack, and he's going to that. The other thing too is this strikes right at the heart of Trump's worldview, which is the U.S. has been ripped off by other countries for so long as it relates to trade deficits and tariffs, as it relates to underwriting security for the whole world. And this is a big pillar, the drugs, because the U.S. subsidizes drug R&D for the whole world. All the innovation, all the patents that's very expensive to attain happen there. And then just the way that the global markets are structured and export laws and all of that, they sell it at dirt cheap prices. Generics can become available in other countries, whereas the U.S. consumer has to pay 3 to 10 times as much. And that's what he's trying to undo here. But it'll be challenged in court and elsewhere, so we shall see how far it gets.
It's incredible. Like, they even are finding a reason to complain about this policy. You would think cheaper drug prices would be something they could embrace.